Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Marina Del Ray local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is one of the leading moving companies in Marina Del Ray. We have experience moving household items around the city, so we know the best routes to get to your new destination. We'll also have expertise in packing the most awkward items, so you don't have to worry, your belongings are safe. A long-distance move is very different from a local move. You can't just hire the services of regular CA movers for your local movement. If you must move from Marina Del Ray to another city within or outside California state, you need proper planning and expert execution. You'll need a long-distance moving team with enough experience, depending on where you're moving to. If you're moving from Marina Del Ray to any city around the state, regular Marina Del Ray movers with operations in California can handle it. However, if it's further, you need a moving team with international experience. At 3 Movers, we have experience moving belongings and items over long distances. Having worked in more than 150 countries, we understand how many questions and documents state and country borderlines require. With that amount of network and partners, you can be sure we are updated with migration laws. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Marina Del Ray moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.